Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Ayush and from now we are going to start out the Linux shell scripting tutorial. Okay, so we will start with the basics to the advanced and we will cover many concepts like we will cover like programming concepts like if else, for loops, and also we will create some scripts like automated scripts, and we will do some minor projects also. So now from this video, in today's video, we will cover some basic concepts like what is a shell, what is a bash, and also we'll see how you can create your first script. That will be a very interesting thing. Okay, but before starting, let me tell you, like we use shell scripting mostly for the purpose of the automation. Okay, if you want to automate some kind of task, then you can use the shell scripting as an automation, like not as an automation, you can say like shell, you can use the shell script as a tool to automate your work. Okay, so now first of all, now let's come to the point and we will learn about the what is a shell. Okay, so shell is nothing but you can say it's just like interface which provides you to write some codes and write some commands. So right now this terminal is using the bash shell. Okay, so but also according to the some other articles, some books, shell is just like an interpreter. Like it basically runs uh, like executes the command line by line. Okay, so that is the work of the interpreter. Like it executes the code line by line, and if some error occurs, then it will just throw it on the screen. So shell is just also like an interpreter. It basically interprets the .sh files or .sh programs, you can say, or you can say the scripts. So now you will say what is a script. So a script is nothing but the like your program file. Just like in Python you create .py file, so similarly in shell scripting or in bash scripting we create the .sh file. Okay, so why we say like shell acts like an interpreter? Because it interprets the .sh files or .sh programs, you can say. So I hope you got a fair idea about what is a shell. Okay, so now let's start with the basic concept, like what are the different types of shell in our Linux operating system. Okay, so there are many shells like bash shell and also like K-bone shell, born again shell. Okay, so you can get the list of the cells in this particular directly, not directly, it's a directory. Okay, so here you can see the multiple cells is being used or present in my this operating system. So for this whole series we will like stick with the only the second one, this one bash is bash, that means born again shell. Okay, but this sh, the first one shell was the first shell which was created by the Linux, and the next there is born again shell came into the role. So we will use the born again shell for our this entire series, and now what we have to do, we have to just create a one single script of hello world, and also let me tell you the what is this bin. So the cell your shell will be present in this bin directory. Okay, so now but before creating your first script, let me tell you the what script is being used by this session or by this terminal. So you need to just enter this echo and the shell $shell, and here you can see the bash shell is being used. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just create the first script, that is the hello world script. How we will do it, we will just I'll move on to the desktop and I will create the cat hello world.sh. Why .sh? Because like we are creating the shell script, so bash script, that's why we are using the .sh extension. So here you can see the file has been created, hello.sh. Now I will use this hash slash bin bash. It's just like this line basically tells like tells our script or our the shell to which shell to use, like tell the interpreter which shell to use. So here I'm just defining like I want to use the bash again shell, that is this one bin bash, not sh. Okay, so now I can do echo. Echo is just like the print command. Okay, echo hello world. I'm learning bash scripting. This one. Now hit Control D, and to run the script you need to add some permissions. So you cannot directly run the script. If you will check the permission for hello world.sh, so here you can see this is only read write permission. You cannot execute that script. So to give the particular permission to this particular file, you will need to just add the permission using the chmod, and you will, if you will use +x and the hello world.sh is the name of the file, so permission will get added, and here you will see the execution permission has been added, and the color also has been changed from white to the green. Okay, now to execute, what you do, you have to just do // and the name of the script, and we are done. So as you can see, our script has been executed successfully. Okay, so I hope you like this, guys, like how you can create the shell scripting, and also I hope you got to learn about the what is a shell, what is bash, and if not, then please go and you should explore yourself also to gain some kind of knowledge. Okay, so that's all for this, guys. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will come up and meet you in the next video with some amazing concepts. Thank you.